Welcome back, climbers. You're listening to Financial Climbs, and today I'm going to take you through three exciting stocks, all with earnings coming up this week in June that you'll want to know about. First up, we have Dr. Martens. They're back in the spotlight, and their earnings is landing on June the 5th this week. And the big question is, has this iconic brand finally turned the corner? We've seen the charts and they've been in a downward spiral, but recently, ahead of these earnings, we're seeing a turnaround. Is this just short-lived, or are we going to see something with a bit more longevity? If we look at the key metrics, revenue is forecasted at £794 million, guys, with a 5% growth target for financial year 26. The EPS is expected to jump 26% annually, but the focus is on international expansion, especially Asia and North America. And this could be really the brand's make or break. Investors want signs of pricing power, supply chain efficiency, and retail rebound. Maybe this international angle might be a way around that. If Martins can prove it's not just a legacy brand, but a global fashion contender, this could be the bottom we've all been waiting for. And maybe what an opportunity ahead. Next, we turn our attention to CrowdStrike. CrowdStrike earnings are dropping later today, and this cybersecurity giant is at the center of a massive AI powered revolution. But here's the real question. Is Wall Street and are you ready for what's coming? Or are we all just flying blind into a surprise? Analysts expect 963 million in revenue, a 31% year-on-year surge with EPS forecast at 97 cents. But don't just watch the headline numbers here. The street is laser focused on CrowdStrike's Falcon platform and how AI is accelerating threat detection and response. So do have a look into that. If their AI powered security stack is driving enterprise adoption at scale, this isn't just growth, it's a strategic inflection point. So keep an eye on ARR and cloud security bookings. Those two numbers could signal where this stock is really headed. If you look at the chart, you can see that it has been absolutely soaring. We're now at an all-time high of around $470 pre-earnings, which is happening later today. If the company smashes the expectations and guides strong, we could be headed into new price discovering territory. But a miss or soft guidance, that could be all it takes for profit takers to jump in. So the question really is breakout or blow off top. The AI arms race is cybersecurity is heating up and CrowdStrike is leading the charge. Are you gearing up for a bullish breakout or standing back and waiting for the dust to settle a little bit? Drop your predictions in the comments and let's break it down together. Broadcom is crushing the AI chip race, and June 5th earnings could push this stock into new highs. But is this the moment to buy in before the next wave? Well, if we look at the key metrics, revenue guidance sits at about 15 billion, a 20% year-on-year increase, with net income estimated at about 7.8 billion. The AI semiconductor boom is fueling insane growth, but how much further can Broadcom go? Taking a look at the chart, Broadcom is riding AI momentum, but where's the ceiling? Could earnings send this stock flying, or is it approaching resistance? Broadcom's chart is looking like a freight train powered by AI hype, but even the strongest runs face resistance. We're seeing consolidation just under the all-time highs. A beat could trigger a fresh breakout, but any slip in forward guidance could pull us into a retest zone. So is this riding momentum or getting too extended? Broadcom or Nvidia? Which one leads the next phase of the AI supercycle? Next, it's your move. Let's debate in the comments below. And that's a wrap for today, guys. This week's earnings will be big, but beyond the numbers, it's about trends, momentum, and market psychology. AI is dominating the conversation. Companies that innovate are leading the charge. Investor sentiment is shifting. Are we seeing cautious optimism or market euphoria? Opportunities are everywhere, guys, but smart decisions come from research, strategy, and patience. Remember, this isn't financial advice. Always do your own due diligence before making a move. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't miss the next big breakdown, and drop a comment on how are you navigating this market. Let's talk. Financial Climbs signing off. Thanks for now.